Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make the divide symbol on your keyboard. We'll cover several straightforward methods, ensuring you can easily type this symbol whether you're using a Windows PC or a Mac. You'll learn the specific key combinations and alternative approaches to quickly insert the division sign into your documents or calculations. Let's get started with the first method. For Windows users, one of the most reliable ways to create the division symbol is using the Alt code. Simply hold down the Alt key and type 0247 on your numeric keypad. Remember, your numlock must be active for this to function correctly. This method is consistent across most applications and is a quick way to get the symbol you need. Mac users have an even simpler shortcut for the division symbol. Just hold down the Option key and simultaneously press the / key. This combination instantly produces the divide symbol. It's a very efficient method, and you'll find the / key conveniently located on your keyboard, usually next to the right Shift key. If keyboard shortcuts aren't working for you, there are other options. You can always use the Character Map tool on Windows or the Character Viewer on Mac to find and insert the symbol. Many word processing programs also have an insert symbol function. Alternatively, a simple / is often accepted as a division operator in many contexts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.